Hi, this is Mike.McKean with Guaranty RV in Junction City, and today we'll be looking at this 2020 Forest River Forester. It's a 26-foot, and I think you'll find it very nice coach. Outside we have a full awning on the side with integrated speakers, and lots of storage in the back. The storage goes all the way through, so you can fit your bikes, fits a lot of things back there. So with that, we'll go take a look inside. Okay, as you can see in here, we have a full counter area that you can cover with this, so you can use it for chopping whatever you need to chop. It has a nice sink. We also have a 3-burner propane stove, microwave, and this one comes with an oven, which some of them don't have that. You got a nice 8 cubic foot refrigerator and a full queen size walk around bed in the back. Also, you'll find that the bathroom is there's a nice size shower, so for the bigger people, they can get in there. The taller people can get in there and take a nice shower. It does come with the dinette that turns into a bed, and then a full bunk up top. So this unit does sleep 6, built on the Ford chassis. Thanks for taking a look at this unit with me today, and if you want to get a hold of me, my information's down below, and hope to see you out here soon.